The information provided by Michael Beebe and this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Michael Beebe is not a licensed financial advisor or investment professional. The content presented does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Before making any financial decisions, it is strongly recommended that you seek advice from a qualified financial advisor or investment professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other financial instruments involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guarantee that any investment strategy will achieve its objectives. Michael Beebe and this channel are not responsible for any losses or damages arising from the use of this information or from any decisions made based on the content provided. Always conduct your own research and consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals before making any investment decisions.
Welcome to another deep dive into essential cryptocurrency investing tips. In today's video, we're covering a crucial aspect of successful crypto investing, using reputable tools. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer to the crypto world, leveraging the right tools can make a significant difference in your investment strategy. We'll explore the benefits of using reliable trading and security tools, and why overlooking these tools could cost you dearly. Trading tools, your path to informed decisions. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, making informed decisions is key to success. That's where trading tools come into play. These tools can provide valuable insights and help streamline your trading process. Here's a look at some of the most effective types of trading tools you should consider. Chart analysis tools. Effective chart analysis is a cornerstone of successful trading. Tools like TradingView, Coinigy, and CryptoCompare offer advanced charting features that allow you to analyze price movements, identify trends, and spot potential entry and exit points. These platforms provide various technical indicators, such as moving averages, RSI, relative strength index, and MACD, moving average convergence divergence, to assist in predicting future price movements. Portfolio tracking tools. Managing your crypto investments effectively requires keeping track of your portfolio's performance. Tools such as Blockfolio, Delta, and CoinStats help you monitor your assets, track gains and losses, and manage your overall portfolio. These tools can also integrate with various exchanges, providing real-time updates and helping you stay on top of your investments. News aggregation tools. Staying informed about the latest news and developments in the crypto space is crucial for making timely investment decisions. News aggregation platforms like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and CryptoSlate gather and curate news from various sources, keeping you updated on market trends, regulatory changes, and significant events that could impact your investments. Security tools. Protecting your assets. While trading tools can enhance your investment strategy, ensuring your security is just as critical. Cryptocurrency investments come with inherent risks, including cyber threats and data breaches. Here's how you can protect yourself. Antivirus software. Protect your devices from malware and viruses with reliable antivirus software. Tools like Norton, Bitdefender, and Kaspersky can help safeguard your computer and mobile devices from malicious attacks that could compromise your crypto assets or personal information. Secure internet connection. A secure internet connection is essential for protecting your online activities. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for cryptocurrency transactions. Instead, use a secure and private connection, such as a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your data and prevent unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Many exchanges and crypto platforms offer two-factor authentication as an additional layer of security. Enable 2FA on your accounts to protect them from unauthorized access. This typically involves receiving a code on your mobile device or email, which you need to enter along with your password. Hardware wallets. For long-term storage of your cryptocurrencies, consider using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. These devices store your private keys offline, significantly reducing the risk of theft compared to online wallets. Avoiding pitfalls. Many investors overlook the importance of using reputable tools, which can lead to costly mistakes. Here's why it's essential to choose the right tools. Accuracy and reliability. Using unreliable or outdated tools can result in inaccurate information and poor decision-making. Ensure that the tools you use are well-reviewed, frequently updated, and trusted by the crypto community. Security risks. Failing to use proper security measures can expose you to hacking and fraud. Always prioritize your security by using reliable antivirus software, enabling 2FA, and avoiding risky online practices. Comprehensive insights. Without the right tools, you might miss out on critical information or analysis that could impact your investment strategy. Make use of comprehensive trading and news tools to stay informed and make data-driven decisions. In summary, leveraging reputable trading and security tools is vital for navigating the cryptocurrency market effectively. By utilizing advanced chart analysis tools, portfolio trackers, and news aggregators, you can make more informed decisions and manage your investments better. Simultaneously, protecting your assets with antivirus software, secure connections, and hardware wallets will help safeguard your investments from potential threats. Don't overlook the power of these tools. They can be the difference between successful investing and costly mistakes.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more great content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.